Hi, my name is Lee. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Today, I like to share my favorite recipe I always make at home. Thank you. Let's start to cook. Hi, today I'm going to make a fried rice with chicken. Right now, I show you that's the ingredients I used for my dishes. So I used the 2 eggs, and I chopped some carrot, and I use the right onion because they're more flavor and taste. So and I cut already the chicken breast, because the chicken breast is best to use the fried rice. It's more tasty, more lean, and anyway. So I That's the whole thing over here. So I just started to show you how do you make it, the fried rice with chicken. First of all, we use the soy sauce to just 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon fried rice soy sauce, and cornstarch, because they use the cornstarch is making meat more um, soft, tasty better. So we made this together. Then we're going to fry the chicken before we put the rice in. Okay, let's do it. Heat up your pot, and you can use any oil you like it. So I use the olive oil for fry my chicken. So they hot in the oil hot enough. So I put the ginger, going to first to make it a more flavor come out. Then you put the chicken in. Right. Okay, let's make it cooking for like 2-3 minutes. The chicken is well done, so you take it out. Waiting for later we use it. Oil and okay, pour your egg in the pot. Let's fry. Don't overcook. And you can right now you can add the onion and your vegetable, whatever you like to put in, fry together. This is a flavor, more flavor. So when cooking with eggs with vegetable, will come back and make sure they don't have like water, because you chop the vegetable, or you use the frozen vegetable, they have more water, so you have to make sure you get it dry. So cooking 2-3 minutes, that's done. So you can put the rice inside of the pot and mix it together. Oh my God, they smell so good. I hope you stand next to me, you can smell the fried rice with the vegetable, eggs, and so delicious. Make me so hungry. So when you make a rice with it, combine very well. So right now you can add to your chicken. Wow, it's so delicious. And for the option, you can put whatever you like your pepper. You can add it more 1 teaspoon black pepper or white pepper. So right now I use little black pepper. And 2 teaspoons soy sauce. Oh, smells so delicious. You know, for Chinese fried rice, they not use butter, but for me, I like to add 2 teaspoons butter. Give the fried rice more juicy and more tasty, and you know, you will love it. Yummy. If you, depends on the personal eating habit. Sometimes people like a little bit dry, and some people like more juice with your fried rice. If you like, you know, dry rice, you just fry more longer, and they come out more dry. If you don't like it, you just, you know, that's it. That's done. So we just, I can start to serve. Put a little scouring, and that's it. Here you go. It smells so good. You can touch a little bit stuff out there, and we can eat. We can start to eat. Oh my God, this smells so good. It's very yummy. Thank you for watching my video. If you really like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Or you have any question about the Chinese food, I will answer you as soon as possible. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye now.